And go.
So we have the one with this is blue is polka dot. So open and see what we have inside. It's a cake.
It's a blue cake.
It's a blue cake.
Okay, put that in front here. Let's see what we have next.
See what we have next. We have squiggles on this one.
An orange
and squiggles.
and squiggles.
Let's open it up and see what's inside. It's a bell.
It's a ring. Oh no, what is it?
That's a bell.
It's a bell medallion.
It's a bell there.
Okay, next one.
Let's see the last one. So it has purple and hearts.
Green hearts.
Green hearts. And it has purple and green hearts. So let's open and see what's inside. Oh, it's a Cinderella ring.
Awesome. All right, say thanks for watching.
Thanks for
Look right here. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching and have a great time.
Watch
Bye.
my next video.
Thanks for the next video.
Bye.
Bye.